my gosh. Okay. I'll do it. Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie. Something just made me mad, but we still not gonna let it affect us, okay? We're not gonna let it affect us. All right. So my package just came in. This is the G7x camera, and very excited right now. So we're just gonna get straight into it because, girl, I'm not one of those people who talk or anything like that. Just like to open it. Oh no. I don't care. I don't care about none of this manual stuff. I just want the cam. Yeah. I've seen so many videos, but now that like I have it for myself, it's just like, wow. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Wow. You flip. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my battery. I think I have to charge the battery and stuff. If I do, let's see. I don't even know where to put it again. SD card going in. If I can figure out how to put it in. Yeah, I'm really not trying to break this camera, but like, this is good. Okay. Let's see if it turns on. Okay, I have to set the time and stuff. All right, let's see. What time is it? My phone's up there. 11:30. March. Today is the 8th. It's 11. Oh, I did not mean to set that date on it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, I definitely need to change like the color of this thing. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, turn it off real quick. And we're gonna put this case on. All right, so here is it with the case on. All right, we're gonna try to, I'm gonna try to like do the settings, and then I'm gonna come back with y'all with the results on how it looks, okay? All right, y'all, so this is the camera. Okay, I have to look at the thing. Oh my god, this is just like the freaking videos. Okay, I don't even know how to like do this. This is how it looks on the screen. Let's see. Definitely have to work on this focusing thing. Cause like, look at that, like focus. Maybe, I don't know what. I don't know how to focus, y'all. Like you would think, just put it close to it, but no. Okay, well, battery is going low, so we're gonna try to charge it, but this is how it looks. And I'm probably gonna redo a lot of these settings and stuff, but I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.